one woman stand for line, carry pikin for back. Another woman dey her back. Now, the woman will carry pikin, the pikin when she carry, come they do this thing. All these two children, they do this. What do they call her? Before you know, the woman will stand for her back. One come correct her. Say, English now cause problem. We say, madam, you just carry pikin. You know they observe and pikin there your back, they do hook up. You know they even... If you see fight... You get people where they know the advice. Oh. People where they know the advice. First of all, right now, no try advice who they do POS. Oh. They feel say now they get the word. Then you see all those girls who just fall in love. Come on your hand, oh. And all those boys who join Yahoo HK newly. They know they take advice. Oh. One idiot who just join HK. They never even give him a phone. We go to start work. Oh. You don't go change your name to Global. How you want to take advice Global? Some boys from my area, if you see the way that they go just wear long socks, they dirty. And I HK they do. Dirty every second. Who send me now? I can say, it be like say I go advise these boys. Now young guys now, make them see they clean up. When I knock their door, say, how far, who they here? The kind names you are here, now I know say no be everybody you go advise. So. As I knock, now I want to ask the other one, say, dirty money, you expect somebody? Now I answer and say, rag billions, I know they expect anybody. Oh. Maybe they define stinking rich. As a man, know yourself, oh, DGN. As a man, know yourself, oh, you know say you get small prick. You still carry your 2 legs, go game night. Go they play truth or dare. Now they don't dare you, may you pull your trouser. You say if they don't stop this game now, somebody go die. Many people don't know you over talk me. Now Benin at the stage, we need to run. Which day here now? I go MC for one company. Normal raffle draw where company they do. I shock. They kill the winner. I just announced. And the winner is number 001. Now the guy going to shout, now me be 01. Now me be 01. I mean, boy say, number 1 man there here, we don't know. Benin has come. As I do like this at the gym, see Bele. Benin, chairman, Benin, where you go gym. Gym, they say beer inside gym. What did they pay me pass? Fridge, what they say beer in a transparent fridge. So as you they jog, they sweat. Beer, they cold, they sweat. I didn't tell you, yeah.
Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
Now, I came with a lecture. If you watch my comedy, I always do lectures. I teach people. And my topic for today is how to last long in bed. Where are the men? Where are the men? Do you need update tonight? Number 1, ask yourself, what did they make man? They come quick. Ask yourself, so I say sugar. No be sugar. The first thing when they make men know they last, it is called anxiety. Are you ready to learn? Do I have students here? Beautiful. It is called anxiety. What is anxiety? Anxiety is the fear of what is to come. I teach people, sir. When it comes to sex, don't worry. You will learn. Now, you dey expect girl never even come. Oh, you don't dey hurry, oh boy, today na fire. How you go last? Girl just put clothes for your front, you don't confuse. Hey, ọjọ́ wẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tòótọ́. You can never last like that. How can you combat the problem of anxiety? How can you fight it? Listen to me, sir. The opposite of anxiety is depression. Repeat after me. Say depression. Beautiful. People say depression is bad. Do you know depression is the fear of what is already happening to you? Now you are sleeping with a girl. If anxiety gives you problem, depression can cure it. Now you are sleeping with a girl. You are sleeping with a girl. Instead of being anxious, use depression. They say depression a bad thing. No, you get where good. Put yourself in depression. As you fire, start to think, now my life just be this. All my friends just they do it pass me. I just did a trek at 44. Before you know, 2 hours. I can't teach this topic. I don't teach this topic halfway. I cannot teach you your problem and not give you a solution. Please come with it. I did not come here empty-handed. Beautiful. What is this? What is this? This is grace. Listen to me. Men, no, they use I see all this kind of thing, no. As I don't they shake and now, men don't they tap yourself for Madiba na your guy. I go like get a number. Ask if you want to kill man, did you hear? Chairman, if you want kill man, don't worry yourself. Come they hide, they put poison, you they stress yourself. If you want kill man, put poison inside container, just let the content brown. Not even talk to them, because if you give them na murder, just stand on your own, just they shake them. Oh boy, this thing bad, oh. I nearly killed that girl. 6 hours, I just the fire. Now I ain't gonna use the mouth, ask you. Now so, now they talk. You sure say they walk? Man, no, they use all these things play. Now I cannot go with this. I need to empower somebody. Yeah, man like Chico. Do you need it? Let me empower you, sir. Correct. Clap for him. Clap for the... You will last long. Hey! Where you gonna say mess, spoil? Even as I don't use that thing, crack joke about poison, you go still drink ammo. You go... Check now. You go, oh boy, na joke update they come on. As a man, it is morally, medicinally, biblically important for you to suck breast. How we get there? It is your birthright. In fact, look at your neighbor and say, suck breast. We are not yet in the spirit. Do I have some children of God here? Oh. Do I have some breast suckers here? Do I have some here? You are not there yet. Listen to me. As a man, morally, they will tell you, do not forget the days of your little... When you were small, breast used to be your only source of livelihood. Breast used to be your only source of food. Breast used to be your only source of hope. Breast used to be your only... But now, you have grown old and you want to forget the days of your little beginning. Oh. Can I hear you say suck breast? Do I have some children of God here? Medicinally, sir. Medicinally. Do you know when you are sucking a woman's breast, you are helping her to fight cancer? Look at your neighbor and say, suck breast. Biblically, the Bible said, and I quote, let her breast be as pleasant as roe. Sir, do you know what roe is? I don't know too. DJ, hold it. I don't know. But for Bible to use roe, Oh, ro. Listen to me. Listen to me. Are you aware that the Bible did not stop there? The Bible went further to say, at all times, let her breast satisfy thee. Do I have children of God here? Where are the breast suckers? Let me hear you say, suck breast. There is a special grace behind the sucking of breast. There is a special blessing behind the sucking of breast. There is destiny for those that love breast. Listen to me. Listen to me. They say, oh, I'm not sure you are in the spirit here tonight. Oh. They say, you will agree with me that they say the prayer of your mother keeps you. Am I right or right? But for somebody like me, my mother is late. My mother is no more. But why am I still succeeding? For the breast I sucked when I was in Benin. The breast I sucked in Port Harcourt. The breast I sucked in Kano. The breast I sucked in Lagos. The breast I sucked in Abuja. Holy DJ, most of those girls today, they are now mothers. And when they are praying for their children, they will say, all my children shall prosper. Every mouth that has suckled this breast shall know joy. Can I hear you say, suck breast?